Take a comfortable seat. Allow your shoulders to soften. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable. And take a slow, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out. Again, inhale peace. Exhale tension. One more time. Breathing in gratitude and breathing out anything you no longer need to carry. Today, we pause to reflect on the people who shaped us in our journey. People who stood beside us. The people who encouraged us when we doubted ourselves. The people who protected us when we felt vulnerable. The people who believed in us before we believed in ourselves. Bring one person to mind. Someone whose presence has made your life better. Someone whose love, guidance, support, or friendship has helped you become who you are today. Notice how it feels to think of them. Notice the memories that surface, the conversations, the laughter, the lessons, the moments that may have seemed small at the time but helped shape your path. Take a deep breath and silently thank them, not because they were perfect, not because every moment was easy, but because their presence left an imprint in your life. As you continue breathing, allow gratitude to fill your heart. Gratitude for the people who stayed, the people who taught you, the people who challenged your growth, the people who loved you through your seasons of becoming. Today, I find myself especially grateful for my husband, my rock, my best friend, my partner, the foundation of our blended family. His support has reminded me that life isn't meant to be carried alone. And whether your person is a father, a mother, a spouse, a grandparent, a sibling, a friend, or a mentor, allow yourself to appreciate their impact today. Take one final deep breath and remind yourself, I am grateful for the people who helped me become who I am. I honor the love, the lessons, the support that brought me here. And I carry that gratitude forward. Slowly bring our awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Now, plant a seed with me. Take a moment today to appreciate the people who walked beside you. Who are you grateful for today? Share their name or simply tell us how they've impacted your journey.